On behalf of Continental Airlines, the Star Alliance, and especially this Newark-based group, we'd like to welcome you to Newark's Liberty Airport, where the local time is approximately 5 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few moments, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your only indication that it is safe to move about the cabin. Please check around your seating areas in the seat back pockets and in the overhead bins for any belongings you brought on board. Also use caution when opening those overhead bins, as contents do tend to shift during landing. Once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information, baggage claim, ground transportation information is provided for by television monitor, signs, or uniform representative that's assigned to meet this flight. We know you had your choice in carriers, and we'd like to thank you for selecting Continental Airlines. Next time your travel plans permit, choose Continental.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats, sit down please, and fasten your seatbelts. Otherwise, the captain cannot move the aircraft. And we do have people that need to make connections. So please sit down, please. Thank you.